Hi guys! Welcome back to the vlog. Mag-voice over daw kuno ko ani kay para na may ma-learn sa akong giadtoan ani adlaw. So kani padulong ta ani og Intramuros, which is definitely one of my favorite places in Manila. Nag-LRT lang ko from EDSA station going to Central Station and then baktas na padulong Intramuros. So na ako'y adtoon nga museum sa Intramuros. Actually, nakadto ako ani sa una pero dili pa to sila fully open. So, munang mabalik ko today. Paglakaw lang ta from the train station padulang Intramuros. So, tayo na matakon before and hindi ko init today. Kay 3:30 PM na. And just like that, nanata sa sulod sa walled city of Intramuros. Let's go! Sanay, bago na Starbucks branch tayo diri sa Intramuros. Dili ka itong isa. So isa dyan ang Intramuros ako mga favorite lugar diri sa Manila since nakadto ko years ago. Kaya aside sa vegan, diri mo radyo kag mo travel back in time. My first stop, which was just a quick stop kaya nakaanhin naman ko diri kadaghana, was the San Agustin Church, which is one of my absolute favorite churches in Intramuros. It's not only the oldest stone church in the Philippines, built in 1607, but also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Wala na ko nisulod sa church kay na ay wedding, but na ako'y I think TikTok videos katong nagsulod mi sa museum and it's breathtaking. Mura gyud siya naa ka sa Hogwarts pag sulod nimo, labaw na og mosaka ka sa second floor. Nihapit ako kadali sa San Agustin Church, which is one of my favorite churches. Plus, nice kayo lang museum sa sulod. So, I also have that vlog. Pero di ko sure if na-upload na ko sa YouTube. I think nara siya sa TikTok. After that quick visit sa San Agustin Church, I then headed over to the Centro de Turismo Intramuros, which is mo gid atong main goal for today's video. We'll be exploring two museums today. One is the Centro de Turismo Intramuros. Another one is the Museo Intramuros, which is sumpay lang actually sila. You just need to pay an entrance fee of 150 pesos and then free na ka to explore both museums. This stunning building actually stands on the historic site of the old San Ignacio Church, once called the Jesuits' Jewel of Intramuros. Built in the 1800s with intricate wood carvings by Isabella Tampinco, the church was destroyed during the World War II in 1945. So, sayang kaayo. But naagyapoy siya yung mga signs nga karaan gid siya na building on some parts. I was actually here last year katong soft opening pa nila and dili pa allowed mo adto sa second floor sa Centro de Turismo, but this time it's already fully open. And then aside sa mga exhibits sa ground floor, you can go up the spiral staircase and then daghan pug exhibits sa second floor. So, more on the history of the place. After decades of ruin, it was rebuilt and first opened as the Museo de Intramuros in 2019. Then on June 12, 2024, which was the Philippine Independence Day last year, it was reborn as the Centro de Turismo Intramuros, a modern visitor hub that combines history, culture, and technology. Here at the Centro, you'll find immersive exhibits, interactive screens, and even an indoor amphitheater for cultural shows. In fact, katong anhin ako dire na ay ongoing show, which was to showcase local talents. So nagka-chance pud ko maminaw sa ilahang songs na apoy poetry performances. One of the highlights here in Centro de Turismo is a massive hanging installation by artist Leroy New, designed to resemble the sails of the Manila galleon. Di ni mo ma-miss ang installation kay inigsulod nimo sa building mo yun sa imong una makita. It's so amazing. How gyud siya pagkabuhat labaw na if makita nimo siya close up if naa ka sa second floor. Given that the San Ignacio Church used to stand here where this building is now located, daghan jud kayo mga religious artifacts from the ground floor to the second floor, and you will also see the history of Manila from different colonization period, from the Spanish era going to the American era, and other information about the history of the place. Naglibot-libot na ako kadali, basa-basa sa mga description sa exhibits, and then adto na ta sa other side of the building, which is the Museo de Intramuros. Agira tagportahan from Centro de Turismo going to Museo de Intramuros, and then that's it. We're there. Ojo challenge. There are 2 levels that you can explore in Museo de Intramuros. However, there are more artifacts and exhibit items at the 2nd level. Inside the Museo de Intramuros, you'll discover around 8,000 artifacts, mostly religious art from the Spanish colonial period. So you'll see Marian images, mga wooden santos, 2-century-old ivory icons, vestments, and ecclesiastical silver. These treasures highlight how faith and art shaped the Philippine culture. So, manata sa duha ka museums. It was a fun experience. Well, daghan kayo mga historical artifacts sa sulod. And then, mingo siya, gamay rag tao. So, nice kayo, makalibot-libot yung ka, makalihok-lihok ka. So, hopefully, you'll get to visit those two museums too. Tara sa diri sa Intramuros for only 150 pesos ang entrance fee. Duha na ka museum sa inyong madon. And of course, after visiting the museums, just strolling around Intramuros is always a treat. Cobblestone streets, centuries-old walls, and that timeless Manila vibe. Since this was a weekend in ang Mercadillo, so every weekend lang ni siya na street market near the San Agustin Church. After na ako nagkaog-isaw, I also bought a ref magnet. So it was just for 100 pesos, and then nice na kaya siya. There are a lot of designs that you can choose from, but I chose katong nara siya word na Intramuros with some designs about places that you can see within the walled city. So that's my quick Intramuros adventure from the historic San Agustin Church to the Centro de Turismo and the Museo Intramuros. If you're visiting Manila and want to experience both history and culture, this is definitely the place to be. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures. And see you on the next vlog. Bye. Kapoy voiceover. Bye-bye.